Hello, my name is Chris Smith. I'm the instructor for your Intro to Business class, Business 11500L. I just wanted to do this video, even though everything's online, to catch everyone up, because I've had a lot of students get added to my class in just the last couple of days, and then speaking to some students through email, and I know some of you I need to respond back to some of your emails, but I've got them, and I understand the concern with books and things like that, and getting those books. So what I've kind of done a little bit differently is that, for example, this week in week 2, I added the chapters to your assigned reading. If you go to your content and then go to like table of contents, go to week 2, and then you'll see the first thing that pops up is it says week 2 assigned reading, and then it tells you what pages, and then below that it says chapter 2. I had copied all those pages so you guys have that. I'm not going to do this for every week. I'll probably do it for week 2 and week 3. And then after that, hopefully by then, give you a couple weeks that your book will get here. I have no problem with you sharing books or whatever. I wish we had a book in the Learning Commons. I did talk to him yesterday about possibly getting there where you can rent one out or reserve one out. But that's kind of how I want to do it for week 2 and week 3. If you are just new, like I said, I know some of you just added my class just yesterday. Week 1, feel free to do that intro assignment. I already knew this was going to happen, so get that done as soon as possible. And then going back to week 2, you have a week 2 quiz over chapter 2. Get that done before Sunday at midnight. And then I need all of you to start working on your Building a Business Plan Part 1. Okay, I made a few changes, so if you kind of looked at it earlier in the week, I didn't change much. It's just one little thing, okay? So if you click on Building a Business Plan, on there it explains that this is broken up into 6 parts, okay? And you will complete one part of your business plan every 2 to 3 weeks, okay? And with that, the first 3 parts are due on the 8th week, which is your midterm. Okay? Don't feel overwhelmed. We're going to take this slowly. Okay? We're in week 2. Week 8 is midterm. And if you do something every week within your business plan, it will be easy. And all we're going to do during that midterm week is the business plan. And that's all you have to focus on. You don't have any reading or quizzes. You just got to get that, put that all together, and turn that in as your midterm. Okay, and then the last 3 parts will finish in that last half, and then as your final, I wanted you to submit all 6 parts together as your business plan. Okay, this business plan is in detail and will take time and some thought. Okay, I will know if you waited till the last minute to do these things. Okay, don't feel overwhelmed. Okay, if we just stick a little bit each week, it won't be hard at all. Okay, the whole point of this business plan is, you know, as a business major and someone that wanted to go to business school and everything, I wanted to start a business. So I want you to have fun with this. This is supposed to be fun. I want you to talk to your peers about what kind of business you're starting. It's supposed to have this excitement. I mean, that's kind of the whole point. We get the creative mind working and see what you maybe want to do. Maybe it's a couple of different businesses. You're not sure yet, but at least this is a good start. This business plan is not a full-blown business plan. This is supposed to be a business plan of a foundation, okay? A foundation to start on some things. And then hopefully during your college career or your time here at OJC, when you're taking other business classes, you can maybe go back and add things to this business plan. And then hopefully when you graduate or when you graduate at a 4-year institution, you have documents in your hand saying, wow, I can start this right now. That's kind of the whole point, and kind of get that excitement going. So for this week, if you go to Building a Business Plan, Part 1, it's on pages 100 and 102 to 102. I just want you to focus on that very first section that says the first step of choosing a business, okay? And there's 3 questions there, and then it gives you a little descriptions to kind of also think about. You do not have to answer the questions this week. We'll start on that next week, okay? But answer these 3 questions to yourself as, why did you choose this type of business? Why do you think this business will be successful? And Would you enjoy owning, operating this type of business? So kind of think about some things, kind of come up with some ideas and what you hope to kind of start. It could be from in the food industry. It could be, I know, landscape or construction. It could be automotive. It could be just a typical like tech job or different things like that, trainings, anything. I'm excited. I know when I did it this summer, I had someone starting a restaurant, someone started automotive, and then one starting a rental bus company. It was pretty neat to see. So anything, everything, it's going to be exciting. That's the whole point of all this, okay? So make sure you get those things done. And I just want to let you know, my office here is on campus. I'm in the gym. I'm the head soccer coach. You feel free to reach me by email or something, and we can set up office hours if you're getting behind or anything like that. Love to talk to you. I'm pretty open guy, so pretty laid back. I want to work with you. I want to see you guys exceed. I just need to make sure your commitment as a student is that you are trying your hardest, okay, and doing things right. Other than that, if you have any questions, feel free to email me, give me a call, or if you want to come in and just have a chat with me in my office, either way, I'm here to help. And then I'll respond back to some of your guys' email. I'm trying to catch up with my own team and things like that, and thank you for understanding. Other than that, wish you the best.